Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Social Studies class. Children, we are doing chapter 15 of a book named Environmental Awareness. The name of chapter 15 is Rural and Urban Life. Dear children, in this chapter, we will come to know that a country comprises of both villages and cities. Both village life and city life have their own beauties. So let's understand the difference between living in villages and cities in detail. First of all, aim of the chapter. To learn about the life of rural and urban areas. To understand the advantages and disadvantages of living in rural and urban areas. Now, new words of this chapter are rural areas, means a small settlement of people without modern facilities. Urban areas, a well-developed area with developed infrastructure. Shortage means lack of something. Minimal means small in quantity. Agriculture means practice of farming. Children, in this image you can see the activities being done in the rural areas. A small settlement without modern facilities called as village. People living here are mostly involved in farming, pottery, animal rearing, and many more other occupations. Life in rural areas. Dear children, rural areas mostly have kacha houses. Main occupation of villages is agriculture. It has few schools and health centers. Villagers get water through ponds, rivers, wells, etc. Electricity supply is for few hours. There are banks and post offices also. Advantages of living in rural areas. In rural areas, large open spaces are available. Rural areas are less crowded as population is less. Air and water are clean in villages due to minimal pollution. People live in harmony and support each other in time of need. Problems of rural areas. Roads in rural areas are not smooth. Electricity supply is poor. Limited choices of schools are available in rural areas. Hospitals are either non-existent or not equipped with modern facilities. In rural areas, no job opportunities for educated people. So let's study about urban areas. Urban area refer to towns and cities which are well developed with good housing, education, medical facilities, roads, bridges, transport facilities, etc. Development and growth have made cities a good place to live in. India has many big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Large number of people live in these cities. Advantages of living in urban areas. Urban areas have pakka houses to live. It has good schools and colleges for students. It has well-developed medical facilities. There are many offices, factories, industries to work and earn money. urban areas have modern means of transport to travel and carry goods. Problems in urban areas. In urban areas, cities are crowded and have less space. Polluted air, littered roads, and water shortage are common in cities. Cities have traffic problems. Housing facilities are costly in cities. Life in a city is busy and people do not have time to spend with their families. Higher level of developed cities. Cities with developed infrastructure, roads, technological and transportation facilities, renowned schools and universities, sufficient water and electricity supply, and better quality of life for the citizens is a highly developed city. These facilities attract many people from village area to move to cities. So my dear children, you must have understood the difference between rural areas and urban areas. So thank you so much for watching this video. Watch this video again and again. You will better understand the chapter. Thank you.